YouTube, what's going on? What's the deal? It's your boy Moose back with another video, and y'all see we got the M4 right now. What are we going to do today to the car? We're gonna go ahead and put some new downpipes on the car, and hopefully it's gonna set this car off right. So if it's your first time watching my channel, this is my stage 2 BMW M4, and before I put the Active Autowerke exhaust on my car, I had some catless downpipes on it, which are actually Active Autowerke downpipes, and they're really good, but the car was just a little bit too loud, so I decided that I wanted to put some catted downpipes on my car to kind of balance out the sound a little bit. It was a little too much for me, so that's what we're doing now. We got some brand new prototype downpipes from Active Autowerke. what you looking at, Nelson?
I don't think it's hot enough.
This is my genius mechanic right here. You know what I'm saying? Don't let the looks fool you. He's actually pretty smart.
I don't think the car is hot enough. I think you need to go around.
You want me to rev it?
15 more times.
You want me to go rev it? And
That shit is super hot.
I got you. Don't worry, I got you.
Like at least around 273 times.
What he said, yeah, we're gonna get it real nice and hot for him, you know? No gloves either, Nelson. But back to what I was saying, we're gonna go ahead and put these downpipes on it, balance out the sound a little bit, make it a bit more quiet. And yeah, these are actually unreleased from Active Autowerke, so I have the world's first car, BMW M4 with these specific downpipes, so it should be pretty interesting. And yeah, we'll go from there. And actually, I'll show y'all the hood too, since he got it up. We'll show you guys what we're working with. You know, it's a sleeper build. You wouldn't know what this car could do just by looking at like the hood and everything. All right, boom. So check it out, right? Looking at this engine bay, it's looking pretty stock, right? You would never really know what's going on here. I don't know why it's so dirty. I could have sworn like a week ago or whatever it was clean, but it is what it is. Yeah, the only real giveaway from this engine bay right here that this car is actually modified or anything would be this right here, the reflex kit. But other than the reflex kit, there's really nothing you could see here that would make you think, oh, this car is, you know, stage 2 tuned and makes right under 800 wheel horsepower. This car's a missile. Like, honestly, every time I put this car up against another car or dual pole, it's like really impressive how fast these cars are. Actually, I don't think I mentioned this in the video. My car's got the unlocked ECU and everything, which is a huge difference from JB4. Like, a lot of people run the JB4s on these cars, and they're really good for what they are, but you really want to do some serious numbers, you got to unlock the ECU. So yeah, stay tuned though. Like I said, we got some heat coming for the car. We got those downpipes, we got some new wheels coming. Shoot, what else? Got all types of stuff. But if you guys see anything on this car that you like, feel free to check out motivomotoring.com. That's actually my business. So I'm sponsoring myself. We sell every single part on the car, including these beautiful laser CSL style taillights. But literally anything on the car cosmetically that you see can be bought from the site. So yeah, stay tuned. We're gonna go ahead and service the car, change out some spark plugs, you know, get it serviced properly and everything. So car should be running A1. It already is, but you just got to be on top of stuff, you know. All right, y'all ready? Bam. These are the downpipes right here. I already unboxed the downpipes. I was that excited to see them, but they are the Active Autowerke prototype downpipes. I'm gonna pull the other one out real quick and show you guys the stamp and everything, and we could talk a little bit more about it. All right, boom. So this is the other downpipe right here. As you can see, the Active Autowerke prototype downpipe. Now this one right here is a catted downpipe. It is going to be a new downpipe that they released that's going to be about 30% cheaper than the Gessie downpipe. The Gessie downpipe is I want to say $2,900, so that's going to be a significant difference, while having pretty much the same performance as the other downpipe, and it's gonna pass like emissions, no check engine light or anything like that, which is great. Because if you go buy like a catless downpipe, for example, or some of the other brand catted downpipes, a lot of them will still give you a check engine light. and Active Autowerke is basically guaranteeing that these will not give you a check engine light, but there's going to be a lot of performance gain compared to the stock downpipes still. And one thing that really stood out to me was the detail and the quality of this specific part. So let's go ahead and show you guys a little bit closer up. Check the welds out. Everything is like literally perfect about this downpipe. And you know, that's what comes from Active Autowerke when you shop with them. I said it in the other video, they are one of the best aftermarket brands for BMWs. And where every single car that I've purchased from, a part that I've purchased from Active Autowerke in the past, their quality has been phenomenal. I've ran them in my old M4 and now I'm running them in my new M4, and they never disappoint. So much love to the people at Active Autowerke. I appreciate you guys supporting my channel, showing love to me, and you know, hope we can continue doing business together and everything like that. But yeah, really exciting stuff though. First M4 with these downpipes, first M3 with these downpipes. Nobody else is running them, so stay tuned, guys. We're gonna be completely transforming the car. All right, guys, we got the car up now. See the Active Autowerke equal length midpipe, and then these are the old downpipes. So we're gonna go ahead and get rid of those downpipes and put the new ones in the car. And you know, I'm gonna keep it nice and short. It's not really an install video or anything like that. So yeah, can't wait to get it done and have this car really dialed in. All right, guys, so we got the old downpipes here, getting ready to get them taken out. Last couple steps, and then boom, we're gonna have the Active Autowerke ones getting put on. And I'll probably go ahead and just give y'all, like, you know, startups and sound clips and that kind of thing, and just first impressions. So yeah, we're almost done with the car now. See her looking real mean and kind of dirty, but it is though. So yeah, we're gonna get this done. You all right? All right, guys, so we got the new Active Autowerke unreleased downpipes in. As y'all can see, look at the intricate details and everything. A1 fit, you know, that's how they do it out there. So yeah, man, we got it in now. I'm gonna go ahead and put back the mid-pipe section. Boom, bolted in, and then we should be good to go. We should be pretty much finished. And I'll probably go ahead and get you guys some video of the car the next day after, because it's starting to get a little bit dark right now. So yeah, I'm gonna let you guys hear it and everything once we get it done, and we can go from there. All right, guys, we got the car down now. What happened?
Don't forget my payments for my YouTube money.
You want your commissions?
Yeah.
I got you.
I gotta sell my copyright fees. I think those are like at least 100 a view or whatever they need.
All right, man. Let me hear this bad boy. You want your YouTube money? Let's hear this bad boy a little bit to get you some YouTube money. How about that? Give us a little baby rev, Nelson. Okay. Okay, easy now. Hey, don't hurt him. Okay, I see you. All right, Nelson, take care. All right, guys. Boom, we got M4, everything set up properly. And need to go ahead and get this car some gas. Come on. This car always runs out of gas. Nice, calm, cold start. You know what I'm saying? Clean, but it still sound good though. So yeah, I'll get you guys some more proper footage once we get situated and everything. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get that done for y'all. All right, YouTube. So we're in the M4 now on the inside. You know what I'm saying, with the new exhaust and everything. So I don't remember if I even did a impressions video leaving the mechanic. I'll be driving the car with the new exhaust, but you know, this is my impressions on it so far, and you guys can kind of get an idea of the cabin sound and everything with the exhaust setup. Nice thing about this car, I don't really drone. I got it in sport right now, super clean sounding, no real drone, you know what I'm saying? And it got the deep pitch to it. I don't know what this guy in the Tesla is doing though, but he needs to hurry up. He's in the fast lane, literally doing 65 miles an hour, bro. Like, come on, man, get out of the lane. Anyways, no real drone. Sounds super clean. It's not excessively loud, which I like. You know what I'm saying? I don't want none that the whole city will hear when I do a pull. Like, my old setup, I liked it a lot. I thought the pitch of it was nice, but I think it was just like slightly too much for me because I had catless downpipes and a non-resonated exhaust, so it's almost straight pipe basically. But now it's clean, it sounds nice, doesn't drone, the pitch is even cleaned up more. The only difference, so what am I doing now? If you skip through the video and you have no idea or something, I changed to an Active Autowerke catted downpipe. Now they have the Jesse downpipe, which is their like current catted downpipe, and then now they have this new downpipe which I'm running, which basically has the same performance as the Jesse downpipe. It's a 400 cell downpipe with an Active Autowerke in-house made like cat. So yeah, it should be cheaper than the Jesse downpipe, and it'll still have the same performance and the same usability, and also no check engine lights or anything like that. It passes all emissions, which is great, you know what I'm saying? So if you gotta go get emission tested or something and you're in a different state, it's not an issue. You can go ahead and get that done, no problem, while still getting the, you know, benefits of having a different downpipe on your car. But definitely cleaned up my car a lot. Highly would recommend it to anyone with a M3 or M4. This whole exhaust system is a game changer in my eyes. I feel like it really stepped my car up a lot, right? So let me go ahead and get on the gas a bit. That little hump got my traction control system cutting power. If y'all like heard it, kind of. I really can't feel it, but I felt it and heard it. But you hear it though. A1 sound. Oh, thank you, good sir. I like this guy. Nice pitch though, honestly. Very nice pitch. The downshift sounds sick. Let's go ahead and up that a little bit, you know. The burbles are still nice. To be real, since like I put this new downpipe on the car, it's so nice, the sound of it. I almost want to just completely turn the burbles off. But right now I don't think it's like overdone, you know. I think the burble amount is reasonable. I need to learn how to turn that off. I know when you put the car in M mode, it like calms down, but I don't know, to me, I don't really need it. A lot of people need that stuff. I'm not a big fan though. But yeah, check it out. Normal cruising, 2,000 RPMs, no drone, no issues, no nothing. So, and then let me go ahead and put it in comfort so y'all can see. This is comfort mode. Car literally sounds bone stock. I can have a full conversation in here. Either way, low-key I can have a combo, but I'm saying that like I can have a conversation here and be whispering and the other person will hear me. Super smooth, quiet, nice sounding car. I could probably roll the windows down once we finish up with this roundabout. and y'all can kind of hear it in like the lower RPMs as well. That's lunch meat right there. Stop. Thank you, sir. I don't know if it's just me, but the turbos seem to be louder too with these new downpipes, which I'm always a fan of. So I have no intakes on this car, by the way. It's just straight downpipes and stock intakes, you know? Alright.
Sounds like from far, coming and going. I was pulling out the whole way down there. Crazy, cray.
Oh, is it over? Yeah. I'm fault, mate. How'd it sound?
Real good.
Bro?
Yeah. Sounds real good.
Alright guys, so got the M4 again fueled up, you know, feeling a little bit crazy with it today. So we got the yellow pump, you know that's not E, right? So actually I was just gonna leave the car on 93 because I'm gonna be going out of state, and I was just like, it's better for me to just have it on E, on 93. But I'm actually gonna be getting the car retuned, and the tuner was telling me to have it on some E85, right? So that's why we're putting some E in the tank right now. But yeah, definitely happy how the car sounds. Super fire. I'm definitely enjoying driving the car more. Before it droned a little bit. I don't even say it droned. It was just a little too loud for me, honestly. But now it's just A1, you know? So much love to the people at Active Autowerke. If you guys need anything for your BMW exhaust wise, downpipe wise, feel free to check them out. All their stuff is real high quality. But with that being said, I appreciate y'all. Y'all have a good day and stay safe. Peace.